Women tend to have a larger corpus callosum, the bundle of nerve fibers connecting the brain's hemispheres, which may contribute to enhanced communication between brain regions. Hormonal fluctuations during the menstrual cycle can impact mood, cognition, and emotions in women. Women often excel in verbal communication skills, with studies suggesting a greater proficiency in language-related tasks. The female brain typically exhibits higher emotional intelligence, allowing for better recognition and understanding of emotions in oneself and others. Women are more likely to experience anxiety and depression, possibly influenced by both biological and sociocultural factors. The oxytocin hormone, often referred to as the love hormone or bonding hormone, tends to be more prevalent in women and plays a role in social bonding and maternal behavior. Women tend to have a higher pain threshold than men, possibly due to the analgesic effects of estrogen. The female brain generally displays greater connectivity between the left and right hemispheres, potentially contributing to multitasking abilities. Women often exhibit a stronger response to social rejection, activating brain regions associated with emotional pain.